me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Show it what you want, show it what you need.
Hey YouTube, what's up? It's Constant. It is Tuesday, February 3rd, and your portfolio right now is possibly not all the way up, but that is the goal, is to look beyond the current situation and focus on where you want to go. The markets will come back. They always do come back. So while you're in the midst of evaluating, I have something for you to look at. I'm not a financial advisor. I do not offer financial advice. Do your own research. But so what I want to have you consider researching is Ziliqa. Ziliqa is a high-speed blockchain process that processes transactions at a rate of about 2,500 transactions per second. Now, to give that some perspective, if you look at the Ether blockchain, it is processing about 10 transactions per second. So this is substantially faster. They have a working prototype, and they have tested it and validated the number of transactions per second, and they do it through a process called sharding. Now, for educational purposes, you probably have heard the word sharding, but essentially what it is a type of database partitioning that separates very large databases into smaller, faster, and databases that can be managed more easily. Now, why am I recommending Ziliqa now? Ziliqa was a recent ICO release, and so it hit the market like just recently, like the very end of January, like the 28th, I believe. So it opened up at like 9 cents, spiked up to 14 cents, and then it's been trailing down. A bad time for ICOs to hit the market because of the across-the-board sell-off in cryptocurrencies, led by the decline of Bitcoin. However, this offers major opportunity for investors to come in and find some good deals. Now, the reason I like, and take a look at Ziliqa. They have a very strong team. It is an infrastructure project, and this is also something that was recommended by Ian Bellina. I had taken a look at it. However, it was too late for me to get into the ICO, so I looked for a good entry opportunity afterwards. And so I see one here, and this is why I see it now. Some people are saying, okay, so the pre-ICO was at something like a penny, right at the crowd sale. So it would have gone up 10x on the opening, and then it's probably would be like 7x. So a lot of people are saying, hey, I'm going to wait till it gets down to 5 cents, or I'm going to wait till it gets lower before I buy. But if you look here, look at the daily volume here. So when it first started out, 4 million, 5 million, 7 million, 6 million, 5 million, 2 million, and then it 1 million, 1.2 million, 1.3 million, 989,000, 800,000, 700,000, 600, 500, 500,000. Volume goes low, and then all of a sudden here, so previous period it's at 800,000, and then 18 million, 18.4 million, 17 million, 16 million, 15 million. What's happening here? We've got this huge buy wall that happened here. So people were concerned that there was going to be possibly a lot of selling. Well, if there's a lot of selling, that means that there's also on the other end a lot of buying. So it's not necessarily selling, or heavy selling is not necessarily a bad thing. And the fact that all of this selling was going on, so people were, I'm getting out of this, I'm taking my profits, and there's buying here. To me, I see accumulation. I see accumulation here, and at some point, this accumulation of this, what looks to me to be like whales, smart money, is going to eventually push this thing up. So that's what I see, and that's why I see a good entry opportunity here at the current price here. It's got the potential to go up much higher from here. I think 10x is not out of the question, and some people are calling for talked about a 100x increase in this here. So anyway, that is my pick of the day, Ziliqa. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.